Please tell me that's it. Thank the Lord. No, I think I did the devices wrong. It's because of the update last night. Wait, but I'm echoing.
Yeah, put it louder, man. Put louder, please.
Wait, there's an echo, dude.
Just put your mic louder for the YouTube.
Oh, that's why there's an echo, because this is playing in the background. Let's check. I'm watching my own video. Dome. Dome. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. I didn't have my tea this morning. That's the thing. I didn't have my tea this morning. That is why. But where am I? I'm still hearing myself. Where am I hearing myself? Someone in the Zoom. Yeah, it's you. Okay. Simeon. YouTube, good morning. Apologies for that. We have updated our system. So things was a bit demakar, but good morning. I hope everybody's doing good. Obviously we gotta get straight to it now, right? I wasted time. Mark Pillay, good morning. Jordan, good morning. Chad, Laron. Yes, why? Why, yes. Mbali, Superfly, Charles, Calvin, Silver Fox. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Everything's clear, right? I do know that there's no music today. We will keep each other entertained. I'm just testing something, so today there won't be any music. But I'm sure you guys will survive, right? But yeah, no music today. I'm just testing something. We should be fine. Nobody will die without the elevator music. I think we'll be okay. And we got the guys in the Zoom. I think you can hear them. I'm not sure if it is overlaid now. And then on your end, if you really get that bored, just play some tracks. Okay? Hoe change ek my naam op YouTube? Hoe change hulle? Wat sê die man? Hoe change hulle? Probably with your profile, brother. This man sees I'm struggling already with my own PC stuff. Now he's asking me. Okay, guys, straight to this chart. Let's get straight to that. I'm going to work with gold first. A couple members in the Zoom are keen for some gold positions, so I just want to see what they're seeing and see if we're seeing the same thing. But if you have positions, if you have ideas on gold, do send them through. Bassam and what do you call it? Jordan, I saw your analysis. I haven't looked at it yet, but I'm gonna look at it after I do mine. I always just wait for mine to be done so that nothing plays with my head. Okay. CPI yesterday. How was everybody's CPI? Was everybody's CPI good yesterday? Didn't trade it? Okay. Anybody else? Did anybody trade it? Let's hear what your CPI how did it go? Was it good? Was it bad? Do you not trade it? Do you trade it? What's happening? Okay guys, so if we look on the weekly, you're pretty much in that pretty much the same areas as yesterday. One thing I do want you to notice where you are right now is at the same resistance level as your daily. So this is a high liquidity area, and that's something that I'm reading off of the weekly already. Price trading above the level of 23.75 is something that we do want to take into consideration. Now, with that being said, guys, as we are in this liquidity area on the daily, have you seen how this daily low looks? Have you seen how it looks? We got pretty much a nipple wick this morning, then price started to drive to the upside, grabbing liquidity. I personally feel like with the liquidity we have on the left hand side, which also acts as a bodily support, if we're going to re-break those lows, I'm going to possibly anticipate some shorts. There's one thing I want us to note. This area on the left, that could be a possible problem if I'm looking to short, because I could tap into that and it could drive to the upside. And on the contrary, if it starts trading below that level, I can look for shorts to quarter pip. You with me? So let's go ahead and mark out that current daily low. Yeah, that's for now. I'm not too phased with the high because I'll rather trade after that, but the low. Yeah, Just look at the left hand side. Current daily low 23.84. You have your liquidity level there. That's your bodily support. I just want to see where's the daily. Is the daily the same as the 4 hour? It's not. It's near, but it's not. It's not exactly pinpoint exactly where it would be. And if I look where we are rejecting 23.93, that range low is actually 23.60. Oh. So from 23.93, 93.92 down to quarter pip 23.75, then down to the range low of 23.63 is shorting area for me. I like the sells. I like the sells. I'm going to show you how I'm going to sell, and I can show you how I can buy. Okay, so 4 hour levels is as follows. You've got my liquidity range here. Excuse me. And I'm just going to add this zone in. I'm very curious to see how big the ranges are after CPI. Normally after huge news releases, the ranges do push quite large. And then becomes a bit crazy. I think that if I can reject 23.93, we're going to sell down to the quarter pip after it breaks the current daily low. I think that's going to be a play. The only thing that will be standing in your way, if I can put it like that, or the only obstacle in your way would be these lows here. And that for me is that bodily support. So what I want to do now is just measure the distance from candle low, current daily low to the bodily support. Just because I know the importance of this. Will it be enough for me to take it on the flip to that low? Let's see. Yes, it will. 23 pips. Okay. Okay. We can do it. Guys, the flip of this daily low, I'm going to look for shorts. That's also the current 4 hour support level as well. So you've got your support little range there. One thing I want to see. 16 pips. We're going to use that as a wick fill. Jeez, these ranges are large. It looks small, but it's actually large. My word. Would you believe that? That's 100 pips. And then to the upside, where's that next zone? Pretty much quarter pip. Okay, this is lekker. This is straightforward. I know exactly what I want to do. Let me start tweaking my zones, and I'm going to show you how I will take today's position, okay? I really like this. 4v0 buys with a 2v2 mindset just like yesterday, okay? Sells here, buys there, no trade range. Easy. Easy peasy. Yeah, would I say that's a no trade range though? Because we could, yeah, no trade range. So this is going to be aggressive shorts for me. This will be safe buys. Where is it? There. Then I just want to come back to the 4 hour and ask myself, where has price driven to without retesting? So one thing we need to know, in order for price to gauge upon larger momentum, in order to move, it needs to get liquidity from more than likely 4 hour / daily zones. So with that being said, with price now trading above the level of the quarter pip 23.75, has it tested that level yet? It hasn't, right? So what is the probability of it coming down to grab liquidity? It's higher than actually continuing to drive. So here you have your daily resistance there. Have a look. Daily resistance, got that. Then you have your 4 hour pushing to that level. I've got that. Has the 4 hour retested the area that has broken out of yet? No, it hasn't. So that's going to be another confluence I can use as a type 3 for price to short back down. Even though we understand we are bullish overall, and we could possibly do something like this where it pulls down and drives, why would I want to miss a 100 pip move? You with me? So my primary target today is to sell. It might sound a bit crazy for you guys, but I hope you guys can understand that. I'm going to look for counter trend type 3 positions down to the QP in anticipation that you understand that this is what market does, right? This is what market does. Creates higher highs and higher lows if it's trending to the upside. What are we doing? We are trending to the upside. Look at market structure. We are trading to the upside. Now, what am I missing within this uptrend? What am I missing? The pullback, right? Which technically means that it needs to pull back. Where's it going to pull back to? More than likely going to pull back to 23.75, 23.73, right? But with that also being said, what's going to be the obstacles before that? It's going to be that bodily support and also the QP. So what will be targets for me? The quarter pip, which is 23.75. Once I can tap into that level, yes, we could possibly drive, but also we could tank. We could tank. We could tank. However, that is a more of a long-term perspective. What am I looking for today? I'm looking for the immediate move. More than likely, the immediate move is going to be a pullback. So I'll trade that. How do I get involved in that? I look for closures below my 4-hour support level, 15 or 30-minute candle. Once I get that, I'll wait for a 5-minute floor to break and a 5-minute resistance to fall. Obviously the other way. Resistance first, then the floor to break. Then I apply a type 3 execution. And then I've got a winning trade. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for today. Closure below the level. The tap back in. The grab of 23.75. From then I've hit TP. Whatever happens after that, I don't care. If price is going to drive, I don't care. If price is going to sell, I don't care. This is the move that I'm looking for right now. Is using this consolidation within my what? My daily resistance to do what? Reject off of that 4-hour, right? There's the 4-hour highs. What's the probability of rejecting? Higher than it buying. So then I'll wait for that, wait for it to reject, get below the price area, which is that. Because you can see that was obviously a liquidity zone prior, which was possible support, which it is right now. That's possible. That is current support, which was previous possible support. Right? You guys get that? So for me to get to position, I need price to trade below it, use it as a resistance to trade down. To trade down. That's what it needs to do. Simple price action, boys. So what do I need in this case as a type 3? Or I just want the sells, but I'll give you the buy scenario. But all I want, honestly, is closure below the level, which will be your 30-minute or your 50-minute closing below the level like this. And then once you get that, you look for the tap back in, the flip, and the drive, and boom, Bob's your uncle. You have a higher probability trade that can play out in your favor because of what? A type 3 idea based off of a higher time frame. There you have your aggressive shorts. Now it's aggressive because it's counter trend. It's not aggressive because there's anything wrong with the trade. It is a beautiful prime setup, and I'm definitely going to be taking that. So this is what I want to see this morning on gold, is the sell idea. I'm more so for the sells this morning. If the buys do come to fruition, it will be priced above 23.97, which I don't really like, to be honest with you. So I can't even say that's safe buys. I know it's with the structure, but I just don't like it, man. So for me personally, I'm going to have this as aggressive buys, and I probably won't take those buys, to be honest with you. If they really do look juicy and great and all that stuff, 100%. Because it's bullish, right? It can still drive. I'm not saying it can't go up, but for me, my idea and the analysis that I've just built, it underlines the fact that we are in that daily resistance, in that daily liquidity, in that 4-hourly resistance, liquidity, demand, the break of supply. Supply, the break of demand will definitely initiate some shorts for me. Yeah, for sure. Now, the obstacle that we need to break through is this liquidity here, because we could tap into that and start driving, for sure, right? So I need to wait for closure below the level. If I don't get closure, I don't take the trade. Look at gold. It was Monday. It was gold on Monday. When was it? Gold on Monday. I missed out. I wouldn't say missed out, but I missed 2 positions because I'm not saying missed out because it wasn't my analysis, because it never met my criteria. The trade never had bottom wicks. Now, I don't trade the trade if it does not have my confluences. And a big confluence, how can I say? A big confluence of that is also candlestick anatomy. And you guys will see me preach about this the whole time. My strategy is very simple, very straightforward. I focus on supply and demand, price action, liquidity areas, candlestick anatomy, more importantly, guys, I didn't have my tea this morning. I'm not gonna lie, my mouth is all over the place. More importantly, we're looking at that market structure. If I can understand market structure, then we're good. Because that already sets you up like 70%, 80%. Man's clutch is slipping for sure. For sure, dude. I don't know why I'm just running over my words, but that's my idea on gold. I want to sell gold this morning. The buys, closure type 4s above. That's all I will look at. But type 3 shorts on gold, that's what I want this morning. Put a 1 in the chat if you understand what I'm talking about. If you don't understand, let me know. And I will assist you. 1, perfect. My brother, what's up? I haven't even went to the chat. Jacob Wolf, good morning. Becky, good morning. Cabello, good morning. Vince, good morning. Yeah, I got your message. No stress, my brother. The video will be on YouTube later as well, so if you miss out on that. Keep, good morning. I have a small position running from 23.58 to 60, like really small lot. Should I hold my position or close my position? I don't know. What was your analysis? If you do not know what to do with your trade, that means you don't trust in your strategy. Because there's 3 phases in this. It's your analysis before, it's your management during, and it's your emotions after, right? So the plan before, you need to have everything set up. Every single time I've taken a trade on YouTube, I can tell you what's happening before, during, and after. I literally speak, like yesterday's trade, I speak you through the trade all the time. I update you every 15 minutes, every 5 minutes. I tell you guys this. So for you to not have, I'm not picking on anybody. This is just what you need to hear. For you to not be sure within the position itself, even if I say anything, maybe I don't know if it was something that I said, but you should be so confident in yourself and your strategy that you never ever veer away from your plan. You need to know what you're doing at all times. This will eliminate emotions. Trust me. If you have a set plan before, when you are in the trade, it won't be affected. You'll then just use your market adaptation to see, like, how can I say? To see like how you can manage the trade. But whatever your plan is, stick to that. That is very important because that also helps you eliminate emotions regarding how much you need to leave on the table, regarding how much you need to take off the table, and then also when your trade is in drawdown. Yesterday we went into drawdown of like 9, 10, 13 pips maybe. Did you see me panic? No. I tell you guys what's going to happen. Because there's only 2 things that can happen. I'm either going to win or I'm going to lose, right? But with that being said, in order for my emotions to stay like on an all-time low, I need to understand what's happening in the chart at all time, right? And that's why I focus a lot on my candlestick anatomy, a lot on my market structure, because it tells me, it gives the tail away. Every 15-minute candle that closes, every 30-minute candle that closes, it solidifies my idea. Like GJ yesterday, for those that watched my stream yesterday, if you haven't, just go watch the video again. I literally told you every single thing that would happen. And that's how it should be with yourself also. Because that will then give you a point of like peace, calmness. Because you know that, okay, like for example, yesterday's trade, I told you, the only way I can lose a trade is if we tap into the liquidity area and reject. We tapped in, we did reject. It didn't jeopardize the trade though. It tapped back into that 5-minute resistance, which you understood, right? If you go look at yesterday's trade, look how it closed below, grabbed liquidity, then dropped. I think it dropped like 40 pips. So that's the thing, guys. Like, if you have that understanding of the market, of the chart beforehand, you're good. You're really, really good. Excuse me? What's up? Hectic. 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 Yeah. Never doubt yourself, boys. I'm not gonna comment on that. I don't wanna out the man on YouTube. I'm very, very nice today. My analysis, it will hit 224 before going down, but I'm not sure now. Brother, if that's your analysis, you should trust yourself. Who am I? Who's Miles van Wyk to tell you otherwise? You know what I mean?
Market maker.
I'm not a market maker, bro. But do you understand like the mindset there? Even though you look at like my win rate and my trades and all that stuff, the only way, look, the goal for everybody should be independent, right? Which is why you need to invest in your education, build your foundation. Nah, my English is out the window, bro. Build your foundation. and then and then solidify your skill through the experience, right? Wait, bro, it's Afrikaans is coming into the English. It's it's wild. English never loved us this week. I've been making English mistakes, dude. But that should be your mindset, right? You should be so confident about your trading that like nothing and nobody can throw you off of it. So give my man, if your plan is to 2400 first before going down, stick to that. Stick to that. 100%. Like, because that's the only way you're going to learn. Obviously, if I have a different outlook, take into consideration what I'm saying, learn from it. But also, the most important thing is for you to understand that you are the most important trader. Not me, not anybody else, not Donald Trump, nobody. You are the most important trader. You, in your mind, should be the best trader. You should tell yourself every day, I am the best. Because you need to speak that positivity and manifest that over your life. And yeah, I mean, if you have a solid strategy, like don't doubt it, bro. Don't doubt it. So yeah, if you're in the trade, if that's how oh my god. If yes, yes. If if that's what you plan, let it rock, dude. Just let it do its thing. What? Check G, right? Hey Miles, where do I find your playbook PDF? Within my course, brother. So for those that watching that maybe don't know, first of all, hit the sub button, like the stream, and then for those that don't know, we do stream on YouTube Monday to Thursday. So this is the last day for the week. 8:30 GMT +2 London session, and then Monday to Friday for my MFX members. So what I also offer is mentorship. I guide you, I show you how to trade. There's a course. You can go through all of that at a monthly fee of $47. The price is going up at the end of the month. So if I was you, get involved before the price increases. Yeah, so we offer all of that. The link is in the chat. The link is also in the description. The best thing to do for yourself is to get educated, is to invest in yourself. Once you have that foundation, once you have that understanding, once you're mentored, once you have a blueprint, you should be fine. You should be fine. My brother Carl, what's up? I'm blessed, my man. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. That's Owen's blocking outside the club smoking occupy, you say. Oh my gosh. Hey man, the distractions. What's the question regarding the cell? What's the question? Yo, this guy's on about GJ, bro. How about GJ for taking by? No GJ till 45 likes. Come, man. We aren't asking 2 rand for hope here. Just to feel like, what? Where we at the likes right now? 76 people watching. I'll do a GJ analysis once we hit 50 likes. Until then, we're chilling, bro.
Wait, don't you wanna check my gold analysis?
Yeah. I got you. See, this is the MFX member perk. I'll tell you what I think about your stuff, and I'll give you the proper. Yeah, he's paid for it. Boys, let's run out those subs. Road to 1,000 subs. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see what's happening here. What is Jordan doing? Is it gold?
Yeah, it's on the phone again. Just my piece.
Do you trade off a laptop or a PC?
I tried off my laptop, but I've got it.
Who's Basab? What is this? What time frame is this? 30 minutes.
That's 30 minutes, yeah.
2375. Why do they have a zone 2375?
No, because there is one on the 4 hour that I refined.
Okay. Run 30 minutes, 30 minutes zone. Okay. Yeah, you see where I want to take that cells early because it's like 100 pip zone. You see that? I got you. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, but oh, did you refine that one, eh? So you see that okay, you see it. I can imagine. That's why that was a rule for me. Like I made sure I never analyze on the phone.
Yeah, no, look, I'll never analyze on the phone and then take a trade based off my phone analysis. That will never fucking happen. But,
What the fuck? Don't lie, Jason. You watched a few of his streams? My bro, what the heck? What the fuck? Hectic.
Who didn't take any of the trades, bro? That man don't know himself.
Wild. Nou is hulle hier, hulle vang tips nou, bro. What the fuck? Ek sê. Sama. Type there. Wait, you guys can say it. YouTube won't hear you. Wait in there. Really? Is a just speak Afrikaans, you won't understand. Hulle is hier op tips te vang, oh, bro. Kak funny, my word. Go check in the dances. Bro, that's wild. Did they go back? I can't deal. I can't believe every week there's like something new that blows my mind, my bro.
Look here, I will mum you every day, no matter who you are.
How did you find him? What the fuck? That is wild, bro. Imakis comes to my stream, gets the trade, and then goes to his stream and then shares it. I think so. That's fucking crazy, dude. Every week is like a new thing. Last week someone was taking my free trades and selling them as signals. What's it gonna be this week? Wild. This is a cutthroat industry, bro. What the fuck? This is crazy, dude. I love it, bro. I want gold today, bro. I'm not phased about GJ. I want gold.
Feel big, Uncle Zama.
Okay, we got that 45 likes. Wait, did we get 45 likes? What did I say? Oh, I said 50. I said 50. 50 likes and I'll do GJ. 50 likes and I'll do GJ. 5 more likes and I'll do GJ analysis, breakdown, and then you're good. MFX members, they don't need to worry because they know it's cutting already. And they know they're gonna eat with me anyway. Stop it. How are you, buddy? Brother, I'm blessed, man. I'm so good today. There's no music, but we're fine. We're vibing. We're good without the music. There's jingle bells playing in my head, so I'm good. No. Charles must sing. You said there's a new national anthem for Morocco. Yeah, I'm waiting for him. How's your ear today?
Yeah.
Okay, they always put a plunger on your ear, dude. Wait, does that mean we're not cycling this weekend? Just as no Simeon. Nah, bro. I need your cycling buddy. I'm still waiting for Uncle Lance to come cycle with me as well.
Simeon used to target 100 kilometers a week. Now he targets 100 pups a week.
Ooh. He's all about the money now, you say.
Yo.
Simeon just cycles to the Pucky shop and back. Buy him Labama beef and come home.
Alabama beaches you can put on a bike. Get 2 packets counterbalance.
Gold. I really like the gold sales, man. The flip of this daily low. I'm waiting for Charles to sing, boss. If he's not gonna sing here, he's gonna sing in the COD server, the COD server Discord.
Miles.
Hello.
Hi. On gold, I just want to ask something about. Obviously, I know it's a type 3, but it looks very similar. But I just want to imprint it in my mind.
Mhm.
Let's say that the candle closes, but it doesn't close below the small wick to the left.
Yeah.
Like it closes just outside of the range. Would you be bothered by those candles to the left of the wicks? Not really.
So the idea is gonna come out like this. So depending on how the candle closes, say for example the candle closes like this, and let's just say that's the case, nah? And it doesn't close below the wicks. The entry for me will have to be below the wick, because you can see to the left hand side there's a bodily support there. How big is that? Shit, it's about 14 pips, eh? Preferably, I want the entry below the bodily low, but the closure can be anywhere there. I think that's exactly how I'm gonna put it.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Thank you.
I got you. Okay, so as you can see, I'm very for these gold sales right now. I'm not too phased with GJ. I will do a quick breakdown. There's no topic on this daily? Oh. Gold sales, GJ buys. Oh. 4 hour engulfing that. Oh. Okay. 4 hour coming up to that liquidity zone. Hourly. Oh. Look, the GJ buys is there, but probably just to 196. Quite clean, actually. You don't trade on Fridays? I do, my brother. But Fridays is for the MFX members only. So, yeah. I don't trade with you guys, but I trade with my team. And we make money every Friday. Have we lost on a Friday this year, actually? I don't think so. Let me pull that journal up. Where's my trusty journal?
Yeah, but we only get 10 pups though.
Ah, I forgot about that. Bro, this Windows 11 update. This is dope. Feels like I have a new PC.
Maybe I'll help.
23.
What do you like? Nah, I don't take that.
He's disciplined. Say I'm disciplined.
I even told Milo I'm feeling conservative.
Jason's a new Jason, bro.
But Zama on the other hand, yo.
Nah, Zama's disciplined, bro. We spoke yesterday.
Zama's probably in here.
Oh, is Zama in there?
I took 20 minutes earlier. I'm not in here. I'm not in here.
Yo, I'm proud of you, Zama. Yeah, you quiet.
Really?
Zama's a new man.
Earlier
Straight
to
by
make
now.
up for it.
He's a new man, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't lost in a private session this whole year.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't. So that's where it's at, bro. If you want to trade with me on Fridays as well, you just gotta sign up.
Fridays are the best day.
Is it like that?
Milo, just get gold because it's expensive. Let's go.
Yo, Jason, your Wi-Fi, bro.
Yeah, what?
Why is your Wi-Fi like that?
Hey, I don't know.
Is it Leo watching Barbie?
So,
It's so pretty, baby.
Okay, so we got closure in the next 15 minutes. You have your London open. Waiting for closure below the level. Once I can get that, I look for price to grab liquidity and start driving. 15 or 30 close, but I need that closure below the level. Preferably 30 to be very honest with you. Just because it is obviously a major level for me. It's a 4-hour level, as you can see over there. Da-da-da. I just love the setup. The once price can start trading below there. Excuse me?
Wicks to the left.
Where were you like 5 minutes ago?
We're smoking in.
Oh Lord, my friends.
Don't you say-
You need don't use mark to explain to Darren, please. I think my
Yeah, maybe I
I literally just said like 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. Closure below the level, however, entries I want below the body support.
Okay.
Then to charge you double. He goes on like the people in the YouTube, bro. Oh, it's the same shit.
Oh, yes. Your
can you
pick.
run out?
If you bought the Asia lows, you would have been in profit now.
Hi. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Just stop, my bro.
Not here.
I'm nothing but the same thing. That's the thing. There's no music playing, so there's music playing in my head. Like I'm not even like hearing any music, bro. My brain is starting to cut out here with no music.
Can't you play music into your earphones?
I don't know how. I don't know how. I also think it will like relay into the stream as like you'll hear it somehow, man. And YouTube, bro, YouTube is strict. Yesterday they sent me 3 warnings for the copyright. I'm not even lying. 3 emails after each other. Bam, bam, bam. Sorry, sir, you can't use this numbers. Now we're sitting with no numbers today. I just want to try something. But I have playlists. I've got music. I just want to try something today. So I can just start testing how strict these mana are. Because they'll take this like, if it's, I think if you do it too much, they'll take the stream down or something like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna have my stream taken down because of music.
I think they cut the sound.
Yes, that's what they did yesterday. Go listen to yesterday's intro. You can't hear it. You can't hear it. And the problem with that is, what if you like, for the people that maybe can't afford the mentorship, whatever, or they whatever, what do you call it? For them, a lot of them, or they work, whatever, a lot of them will come watch the stream after hours. Now they get there and they just see Miles doing that, and then all of a sudden he's in the trade. They don't understand why, you know. So I think that's more important than us enjoying music, is people actually learning, education, yeah. But we'll get it sorted. We'll figure this whole monetization nonsense out. YouTube has free music library. Bro, that's the ones that got copyrighted. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Co-pirate? Co-pirate? Arr! I know you mean copyright. By the way, I got you. Okay, let me just have a little squizzle here. GJ with no topic is very interesting for me. So I'm going to mark that out. Current daily high. 4 hour zones. That's the high, that's the low. There's the bodily liquidity. We're more than likely to tap into that. 196016. More than likely going to tap into that. Thoughts on pound dollar? I don't trade that, my brother. But you're more than welcome to do the analysis yourself. Ricardo, go home. Ricardo. These are my 4 hour zones. I don't want to do the retrace on GJ. Four hour zones. How big is this? About 30 pies. Because this is my zone here, equated to that length. So what I'm going to do is I'll just drag it across like that. And there you have my 30-minute zone right there. Closure above that level indicates some long positions in anticipation that this will be the retest of the high. But I'm not trading GJ today. Just mark it out so you guys can see it. I just prefer the gold setup. I'm going to wait for that. These are my 30-minute zones. I'm not going to tell you what I would do because I'm not going to trade it. This, however, will be the no trade range. This above here will be aggressive buys in anticipation that you retest 196 for price to either continue up or to tap that level and drop. But the buys, I can see them. However, a unique closure above that level, because this can act as a resistance. This is why I'm just not interested in this pair, to be honest. You pretty much need a structural shift, and I don't think that's going to happen. I wouldn't want to take it on the phase 1. I want to take it on the phase 2. So for me, it's not going to be a trade right now. Price can be tapping into 195773 to drop, or closure above the level, grab of liquidity, and then you can look for drive. It'll be about 30 pip range. Yeah. It looks good. It looks good in anticipation that eventually you'll come flip the daily high. I will rather just wait for the daily high to flip, then I'll take the trade. Because then I have a structural shift, which means that this bearish structure has then turned bullish. Because then essentially what is happening is you've got your support level, you've got the drive. Why do I do that? You've got the drive, you've got the pullback for price to drop. However, if it's going to trade back above that level, we're going to anticipate longs, right? So this will be your phase 1, this will be your phase 2. This is phase 2, this is phase 1. I then look for phase 2 trades because then I'm with the structure. It's just easier. It's easier. So for me, I'm not interested in GJ right now. I hope that makes sense. I'm very much interested in gold. Whatever it's going to do. Now we are seeing that we are sitting at the current daily low. I think we're just going to tap that level again. MFX members, if I get a closure above above 23.89, what type entry will that be? That's not a type 3. What will it be? Type, geez, you fast, eh? Type 2. Yeah. A 30-minute closure above this level will initiate type 2 longs for me. I'll do it. It'll be very similar to Bassam's idea this morning. So this was one of the MFX members' ideas this morning. So he obviously saw this.
I was looking above 2390.
For sure, yeah, above that little resistance. Yeah, for sure. So this is his idea. He didn't take the trade. He was just planning it out. For those that want to panic on YouTube. Oh my god. Yeah, I like it. So for me, if we're going to reject here, we're not going to break the level. We're going to reject close above the level of 23.89. Inches above 23.90, I will long. For sure. Yeah, you have one. Is that? I need my phone charge. In YouTube Studio, you can find audio library on the bottom. Okay, I'll try that. I haven't done it like that. I used to pop it through Streamlabs. I'll try that out. I'll try that out for sure. Shot Silver Fox. Starting to drive away from the devil, eh? This could be it. So do you see where I want price to close and you see where I want price to be entered? There's a resistance right here, 23.90. Closure above 23.89. Trades above 23.90.50. I will long the position back up the resistance. Yeah, I'm with it. I'm with it. Need a 30 close though. So essentially, if this is the long position today, this will be in the grab of liquidity. This will be your closure above something like this. Like that. Right? I know, bro. That's the thing. I'm looking at the candle. I'm like, damn, that's big. Then the next candle to grab liquidity, flip and start driving. So your setup will look something like this. It's just as I don't know if YouTube can hear you guys. I don't think so. The stop loss, boys. Look at the stop loss. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be a big stop. 45, at least 45. To be fair, it needs to be like 50. But then our targets is.
I was just gonna say, if your stops are big or you're gonna target more, I'd say like TP1 should be fucking from 20
What?
to 90 to 20 to 95.
Ah, wait, are you a top G trader or what? Wat kon je op mal doen? Keep you mal here. Deep 150 pips? Are you fucking mal? Are you just? Oh my gosh, listen here. Look, yeah, that's the only thing. The stop loss. The stop loss is gonna be big. Da 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 da. We have way more viewers earlier. Is it because are you guys enjoying the silence with no music? Is that why? While you're here, if this is your first time watching my stream, what's Jordan saying? what did you say, Jordan? What is that? Simmons Braz. Yeah, Simmons lost in the charts, but he's in the source.
Bro went from having a hobby to having 2 jobs.
Now you washing on the handlebars.
You just see Oni's hanging on the handlebars. This man's underpants on the handlebars. Closure in 3 minutes. Yeah, also closure in 3 minutes. If I want to listen to music, I can put it for sure. Yeah. Look, if you want music, I'm not stopping you from playing the music at your house. I don't even know where you live. You can pump numbers, bro. Yeah, bro, and that's gonna be a type 3 for me.
Let's check on Mark's driving. Marvin, read the message, you must sing it.
Oh, what? How does it even go? I don't know. Is that a song? Ah la 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 long, ah la la li long. I don't get it. What song is that? What song is that? What is that? What is that? I'm not gonna sing the song. Play some Cole, bro. We can't play music, bro. We in silence. You sing for the people. Why do I feel like I haven't heard that song before? Send. What song is this? A song. Ala Lili Long. Now look, I don't know what music you guys listen to, but I do not know Ala Lili Long. An advert. I don't watch TV. Ala la long. Ala li long. Send me a voice note so I can hear it. Yo, Mark, send me a voice so I can hear you sing that song. I don't know that song. 3 seconds. Boys and girls, that's a type 2 for me. That's a type 2 for me. Inner circle sweat. Ik ken nie hy number nie, bro. Hi boy, I can't sing. Don't underestimate yourself. I feel like you can sing. Right, guys, 100%. Imagine. 45, 40. I have to hear the song, because... Okay, so guys, this is the plan that I have. You've got a type 2 closure above 2389. We are at the resistance level. That's why price is creating the bottom. Perfect. So I'm going to take it at the break of those highs. 2390.61. I'm going to do a buy stop. Stop loss is 45 pips. It needs to be bigger. I'm not going to lie. It needs to be bigger. Nah, this is too much. Stop.
So we could get a flop of 4 hour.
Is that at 4? Ooh. Ooh, yeah. The flip of the 4. Oh, shit. That would be insane. I'm going to do buy stops here, boys. 2390.61. So I'm doing buy stops on this position in anticipation that this will be a type 2 style execution. Price is rejected the current daily low. You have a resistance there, so it can still range. Don't get me wrong, it can still sit in the range. However, where I want to enter is above that high in anticipation that we can flip this 4 hour back bullish. Because you'll see where my entry is above that 4 hour high. So it's the flip of that candle to drive to the highs of 23, 97, 21. Yeah. So are we in? Can you get entry in USD JPY? Umang Sisode. Just for asking me that cuck, go subscribe to the channel and like the stream. Ask me the same shit every day. Read the description. It says, I only trade GJ and gold. That'll be TP2. I think I'm running up today. Let me run it up today. There'll be TP1, however, at 10 pips I'll move to break even, okay? So this for me is going to be a break even point. I'm in? You in what? Oh, yes, must I do this again? I'm waiting.
I lost it, bro. If these people are gonna not listen, then I must mind.
Bro, every day I get the most hectic questions. Massa toenail. Guys, I'm not in this position. I literally just said I'm doing buy stops. 23, 90, 61. I am. What you doing? I don't care. This is what I'm doing. You're either going to learn from it, and that's it. For my MFX members, it's a whole different ball game. Because we work together. Simo, how do I get task manager again? What's control? What?
Control Alt Delete Shift Escape.
Miles, why are you taking TP1 at 20 pips only? How do you mean only? Isn't that a lot?
No, because TP1 is 20 pips, so I'm just wondering why you chose that. You know, 'cause you always take a 10. Well, sometimes.
I
I'm
f-
just curious.
I feel like if we can break the high we are right now, flip that 4 hours, should come back to the 30-minute high, which is there. That's why. Makes sense? And also, if I play with a risk appetite of 45, I need to extend my TP1 to make it worth my time. But at 10 pips, I will probably go to break even. Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Miles, seeing that we're in a position where we've never been with right now, I should take him.
We have been there before, though.
Yeah, but that's weeks only.
Oh, you're talking about like overall? To be honest with you, I still stand with my analysis this morning of me wanting to sell it. I still think that gold will sell. I'm over on gold. I'm overall bearish on the pair. It's just that I do see my type 2 execution, so I will activate positions because of my edge that arises. But I do see sells, bro. 100%, yeah. I'm still more for the sells. Like if this candle drops and engulfs, closes bearish, perfect. That's why I did buy stops. So if it re-breaks highs, then I'll take the position. But until then, I won't execute.
Yeah, because at 4 hours now, getting in a position when
For sure. So let me just do this. Because someone's going to come into the chat and say, hey, sir, are you in the trade? Yeah. YouTube, I love you, but you guys can ask me a lot of nonsense. Like, I love you a lot, but you can ask me a lot of nonsense. Does everything make sense what I want to do, though? MFX members, you guys good?
Oh yeah, makes sense. Not trading, but makes sense. Yeah.
For sure, for sure.
Hey Miles, I don't know what happened after that fortnight session we have, yes, the flu has got me.
I was about to say you sound sick.
Yes, the flu got me hard. Bruh.
Really?
This morning. What? Yeah. Oh, bruh.
So I mean, how long were you sick for? Like a month?
Yeah, but I was able in the weekend and I'm fine.
Jason, do you hear this? Owen's is blocking in the filter. Okay.
No, Jason, by my house before, so it's up to you.
Oh.
Yeah, you must got new friends.
No, man, I was at home the weekend. What did I do? I was at Uncle Robbie's house. we're chilling in his bar area. What did I do the weekend? I think I was at home, probably playing Xbox. I was at home the weekend.
This man was in by the new bar and I was for work.
Oh, I went out with Paul. I went to Luke. You must try the restaurant Morocco. It's good. They make a mean poke bowl. Some good sushi. Not gonna lie. That's where I was. Poke bowl, Pokemon bowl, whatever. This is obviously where my price is, guys. 61. If it activates me, it activates me. Okay. And then this is there. Stop loss, like I said, would be for 45. Obviously, I would love it to be like there, but I'm just not going to risk 55, boys. I'm going to do 45. And then, yeah, overall TP will be like 50, boys. So this is my trade that I'm waiting on right now. Let's see if I get activated and if it takes me in. Let's see. Okay, boys, I am officially in this position right now. Let's see what happens. It's either going to be a winning trade or it's going to reject the resistance, and obviously, you know, there's a beautiful break of that the flip. Yeah, the 4 hours should have just flipped. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that your break-even line, first line?
Yo, first line is break even for me. To buy next week, we don't have money. We only trade $1 accounts, and we only get 10 pips. So can you get my $1 to $9, sir? Unless you paying, bro, then we can buy. I only have a $1 account. Does everybody understand why I took this trade? Put a 1 in the chat if you understand why I took the trade. 80 people watching. There should be 81s. But I understand because a lot of you are just here to copy my trades and stuff. It's okay.
Thank you for the signal. I'll go watch my Dr. D's trading.
Where's Ming Dang? No, waar is hij? Ik zoek voor Ming Dang. Ling Ling, you forgot your bling bling. But yeah, the only way I can lose this position, like I explained in every single trade I take, is if this area holds as a resistance and it turns and goes down. That's the only way I can lose it. Other than that, I should win. The odds is in my favor to win, so I should win. However, the way I could lose would be that this resistance held and this was just a liquidity grab for price to turn. As long as you can understand that, you should not have any emotions in your trading. Uncle Robs?
It was 15 nearly closing. If it does get to 10 pips, would you use the trade option or
Brilliant question. If that's the case, I'm gonna close 80%. If that's the case.
at 10?
Yes, sir. We're not gonna play today. Closure in like 45 seconds as well. Returns where you said it's also head and shoulder to the downside. We don't do head and shoulder patterns, brother. What? Quan Pina. No, we don't do head and shoulder pina shoulder patterns. I don't do any chart patterns. No head and shoulders, no double tops, no double bottoms, none of that, bro.
Only daily purpose.
See, that wasn't me. That wasn't me.
I'm not gonna comment. P, say P.
Wow.
P.
Fair.
Yeah, you know what to do. 15-minute closure. Okay, nothing really hectic. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Look, this is also a dead giveaway. When price does this, nah? How can I say? Breaks previous low and then starts to drive. So you can see here on the 15-minute, no, 30. On the 30-minute candle, you have price breaking lows. This is grabbing liquidity. Then for price to close above. That's liquidity grabbing right there. So it should essentially start to drive. Because you have your liquidity. You've... Do I want to use that word? I can use it. You faked out all the sellers. I don't really want to use that word because then people use that as an excuse as to why they're losing. But you faked out a lot of people, let's say, at that point. It looked like it was going to sell. It didn't, right? Then you have price closing back above. That for me isn't a fake out. That is price grabbing liquidity, right? Then as it rebroke the highs, this is where price should start to drive. However, why are we stalling at the area? Now we're stalling at the area because if you look to the left hand side, on your 35 and 15, you have a resistance here, right? Can you see that? Now, always understand that support and resistance is not a place, it's a zone. Okay? So it can vary by pips. Okay? So this is why you are stalling at the price. You need volume to start driving through that level, and then you can obviously see higher legs. But until then, you are stalling at the level of 23.9065, pretty much at our entry, because of the left hand side. Is that a problem? No. Do I do anything different? No. Do I stick to my trade? Yes. Do I do everything I do every day? Yes. Same thing every day. Every single time you take a trade beforehand, you need to know why you can win, what is your reason for taking the trade, why you can lose. So when you're in the trade, you never doubt. You never waver, none of that. You stick to your trade, you let it run. Okay. Yeah, so we got that 15 close. I would have preferred a deeper bottom wick, but it's fine. That's my senior. At the first line, that's going to be your break-even point for me personally. If you want to secure there, look, it's 10 pips, bro. That's 10 pips. So if you want to secure there, you can. I'll see how price reacts to the area, and I'll tell you if I close. I will not close full, though. I'll close partials. But preferably, I would love it to drive to that 20 pip mark, which for me is that solid TP1 today. And then your overall TP, guys, you can push up here for like 56 pips. Who said that? Any questions, you can just let me know. MFX members in the chat or on the Zoom, are we good? You understand everything? Surely.
Let's check that thing I sent you on WhatsApp.
Now.
The old post from the intricacies stuff. I don't know how some others do it, bro. Really.
My swing trade for next month? Hectic.
Hey, this man's trading in the future.
Wild. Is this like a was yes, that's wild, dude. 700 pip stop loss?
Yeah, look at the price. It's like 15,850 the entry, then 15,100 plus or something like that. Well,
Bruh, that's insane. That's insane.
I downloaded the podcast that he was on there with Top Trader.
Is it a South African, bruh?
Yeah, he's here in Cape Town.
Hi. Wild.
But he's there. If you go look on Top Trader South Africa, his most recent podcast.
Oh, that SMC dude.
Yeah.
Wild. People
Yeah.
do that?
It's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that podcast today, listen to what nonsense they spoke about.
Nah, I wouldn't even allow that because it'll just mess with my mind.
No, bro, I was about to listen to what other others are cooking up. Not that it's gonna influence me.
Yeah.
I'm indoctrinated here with MFX.
For sure.
But it's just like funny to see like and listen to like how passionate others are about nonsense.
Yeah. Do you know whose podcast I enjoyed the other day was that one of Shakil Samai. That was dope. That was nice. That was a very nice pod, yeah. That's a very nice podcast.
Yeah, I enjoyed that, bro. You know which one I didn't enjoy because I couldn't watch properly was that guy Miles van Wyk. Yes.
Ah!
That was a fucking nut.
Huckleberry Finn? Yeah, I don't know why. It was just bad connection from their end. It shouldn't. They shouldn't have live streamed it. That's the thing. It should have been like a recorded video and then posted. But obviously they learned from that, which is good.
No, for sure. But are you gonna? You guys should be doing part 2 soon if they do a part 2 with you because I see Christie's they're going to do like a PE.
I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see.
Round 2 fight. And then you can have a special guest put Darren on the podcast.
Yes, Darren on a podcast. That'd be wild. That'd be wild.
I will luck the whole day. Special request. Yeah.
Darren on a podcast?
Darren on a podcast will be that, bruh. Especially on that podcast.
He's in person. They can't ban him. They can duct tape his mouth closed, yeah. Hey man, die laat jy praat te veel hier. Okay, just want to add on to make you guys understand more. You have your 5-minute level of support here. Because price is holding that, it's a very good sign for price to still continue flipping and driving. You don't want price to break that previous 15-minute low. You don't want that. I won't manage the position though. Everything still looks very good. Bro, even though the podcast was missed, it still got me where I am today. I'm glad. Look, I personally haven't even watched that podcast full because I couldn't deal with it. Like, my face would be like, and then you'd hear like a whole paragraph, and I was like, nah, I'm not watching this.
That's why I put it on the Bluetooth in the car and just listen.
Oh, that's a good idea. Rather use it like as an audio podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was on patrol, so I was like, might as well. But I wanted to flip and listen to it.
Mm-hmm.
But I thought, nah, let me just listen to like an audio book.
I got you. Because the audio is fine.
Yeah, the audio is
If we can break that previous 5 hours, should drive. We are holding this level quite nicely. That's good. Nah. Well done. Well learned, bro. Well job. Highly educated. Hourly closure coming up in 5 minutes as well. Quite keen to see how that's going to close because I know whether I'm in the trade or not, there's going to be a bottom wick on that. So I want to see this hourly pretty much close where it is right now, to be honest with you. Obviously, the higher close, the better. But you want it to close up here because then you're solidifying that support. So even if price doesn't drive all the way, it's going to at least hit that TP1 if we can hold the support level. It's a matter of patience. Patience, hey? Four minutes to close. How is she going to close? Hourly closure as well. What?
4 minutes 50 PI.
Where are you getting this information from again?
It's Mrs. So what is this country? Now?
Venezuela.
The flag. We must play flagging. It's a green stripe, a white stripe, and a red.
Italy. Italian.
Is that Italian? Are you sure that's that?
I hope so.
Yeah, but they have PPI.
So,
You see the volume.
oh, bring on the volume, man. Bring on the volume.
Bring it on!
Bring on the volume. 3 minutes. Can we get some volume gold? Let's go. Yo, the YouTube is quiet, eh? When we're in a position, you're still. Is everything okay, guys? You guys are quiet on YouTube? It's only the MFX members talking here. You guys okay on YouTube? You guys are quiet during the trade?
Yeah, you see, if you're not in the MFX community, you're nervous.
People are getting
can't hear me, but there's somebody in that chat that pray for you that don't join.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. So some of the questions these guys ask is like, yeah,
It's wild,
watching
bro.
paint dry.
It's wild. It's wild. It's wild. It's wild. I'm still sleepy. You can't be sleepy in front of the chart. You gotta be locked in. You gotta be focused. Ah, my yoga friend, how are you? Locked in. Hey, how are you doing? I'm great, my brother. How are you doing? Veg food lover. I also like vegetables and food. 1 minute. I'm going to anticipate some volume in the next minute. That's at hourly close. Gary, USDT views, please. What, brother? I don't even know what that is. I killed CPI yesterday. Well done, broski. Well done. Gary, USDT. Yeah, why does it sound like a crypto? Because I know that's USD Tether. What the heck is Gary? Gary's my friend's father's name. It's crypto, check it out. Nah, I'm good, brother. You can check it out, though. Guys, if I have a stream, nah, and I have to check out every chart somebody says, like, you're USD, USDN, I will never actually have a stream. Because, like, all I'll be doing is checking out other people's charts. Wouldn't make sense for me. Okay, that's a 10 o'clock closure. That's hourly closure. It is forming a bottom wick at the minute. Bullish closure, which is good. Price should not engulf, but you see where my stop is? It is tighter than what I would have wanted to be, but for me personally, I don't want to risk anymore, so I'm fine with that. I only held the support, so technically it should just be getting a bottom wick, which it has right now, for price to drive. That's all. Once this 30-minute, no, more so the 15, right? Once the 15-minute can engulf and start trading above there, then what you have there, ladies and gentlemen, is a support level higher up, which should be that same 5 support. Yes, it is. If we can hold this level, which it seems to be doing, start to trade above like this, so start to do something like that, then we should be good to rock. Then you should be fine, because then you're still ascending on that 5, right? And then on the 15, you pretty much want to see price now close above the level like that. Once you can close above the level, this would be that 15 engulfing to initiate long positions, to understand that that resistance was just a liquidity grab. Once you can do that, then we should be good to go. Until then, we just have to hold. The 30-minute, previous 30 was indecision, which means that the 30-minute hasn't closed above resistance, which isn't alarming yet, but it is something to note. You just pretty much want to see this 30-minute candle trade above 23.91.27. Then you're good. Then you're good. Until then, you must hold fast. You must fast hold. You must hold on tight. There's no panic. There's no nothing. You allow the trade to breathe, do what it needs to do. It's just another day. Everything still looks good. It's Gary the Snail from SpongeBob? Yeah. It's Indian app Chingari coin launched 2018. Okay, that's cool, brother. I'm practicing being calm. It's actually a skill in the trade, for sure. For sure. Finally getting to know what not being emotional means. 100%. I like that. I like that. Good to hear that you are working on developing that skill, brother. But like I said, being calm in the trade, and just, it's not even like you have to learn it. If you can just reinforce your routine, stick to that, that reinforces discipline. And then when you understand that, and you understand what's happening in the market, whatever happens, you're chilled with. It's chill. Like, I can watch my drawdown, I won't feel anything, because I understand what's happening in the market. One thing I can advise you is just don't watch your FPL. So don't watch your floating profits and losses. My phone is closed at the moment. I'm not watching my phone. I don't care if there's like 3,000 Rand in drawdown, $3,000 in drawdown. I don't care about that. I allow the trade to do what it needs to do. But that comes with time, guys. Be patient with yourself as well. It comes with time. But like I said, get the routine of your life, not trading. Get the routine of your life, then incorporate trading into that. then reinforce the discipline to stick to that routine, which will then, without you knowing, reinforce the discipline in the trades as well. What's the green line below the candles? That's pretty much just like an area of interest for me at the moment. I don't want price to break that low, but if it does, it's fine. It's just an area of interest. I'm not going to manage the trade, guys. It's either a win for me or it's a 45 pip loss. It's as simple as that. Have a look. Hope you like it. I'm fine, brother. But thanks for the suggestion, but I'm good. Thanks though. Use small risk, 1 to 2%. Yeah, 1 to 2% is what I always recommend. There's many factors that come into the trading, boys. It's not just about chart work. Especially if you plan on doing it, like, I won't even say full time, just on the long term perspective. So all I'm waiting for right now is this resistance to break. If you can do that, A for away. A for away. And you want that 15 engulfing on that 15-minute time frame. I thought we brased D.
What is everybody going on about holding position for long? What the fuck? Almost your eat is dead, man.
I need your expert opinion, sir. I'm holding it for long-term purpose, so is my decision right? Bro, I don't even know what you're trading, dog. I don't trade crypto. Let alone an Indian Chingari coin. What the fuck is that? I don't know what the fuck that is, dog. The thing is, guys, if you do not know why you're buying into something, why are you buying? I don't understand that. I can't, like, it doesn't... Huh? Like, I know if I go to the shop and I smack a pie, I'm gonna buy a steak and kidney. I know why I'm buying that. It's my favorite pie. So I won't... Someone else can be like, yo, bruh, you must come eat the Cornish. Sis, man, I'm not gonna eat the Cornish pie. So you need to understand why you're buying these things, bro. I feel like the problem is people think they can buy into something and be like, okay, this will turn me into a, you know, it will yield a profit because it looks good on social media or something.
Hey, he's checking. He bought the
Ah, bro.
going down. Hey, what other was to know? Then he lost his key.
Also, like, okay, I'm not gonna let me last that. Let me last that. For sure, bro. You gotta trust the process. Gotta trust your strategy. You'll see, like, please, if you're not paying attention to it, just watch my emotions and watch my face and watch my reactions to market. Do I flinch? Do I panic in drawdown? No. Because it's the same thing every day. If you believe in your strategy, you know what. Bro, look at my stream records. So you know what the probability is. At the moment, if I take 10 trades, I only lose 1. That's where the win rate is at the moment. So if you understand, it's all statistics. If you understand what you've been doing, you know you're gonna lose, right? So why is it a problem? It's okay. It's okay to lose. Gold is flying? Not really. I'm not, like, you'll see I'm not phased. There's nothing yet. This is nothing. This is nothing, boys. Don't get too excited yet. Once I get to my break-even point, I'll lock it break-even. If we start to there, I'll secure partials. I want that TP1. That's 20 pips. Excuse me? Yes, brother?
Sorry, sir. You remember that trade I showed you I took last night?
Yes?
Hey, bro, trade locker. I meant to add there. Our trade locker fucked me, bro.
Don't lie.
No, okay, but it was my fault because I'm not used to the what's his name, the platform.
Okay.
I thought I was editing my position to put in a stop loss.
Yeah.
So I say confirm. That's the buys again.
Don't lie.
Then all my listings in drawdown of like $136. I'm like, oh,
Nah.
I can close that thing, and then I was like, fuck, no, whatever. I'm just gonna set my stop loss. Then I figured out how to set my position.
For sure. Hectic. Look, yeah. I also think when we have a 1-1, maybe just screenshot me. I would love to see what the platform's like. Hectic. Are you working today? Dude. Okay. Okay. Now you're good, buddy. Thank you, my brother. Bro, don't fall into those answers. Change emotions. You trade with no stop loss? Well, I don't know where you were before, brother, but now that you're part of MFX, I mean, you're good. You're where you need to be. I love how quick my mods are. Boom. There's the join link. Guys, you have to have a stop loss. I don't care who you think you are. You have to have a stop loss. That is wild. You have to have a stop loss. You have to. So like, how does that work with no stop loss? You just pray. like you just pray. Well, liever Jesus asseblief. And then when you get into the drawdown, you're like, Jesus, I'll never do this again. I'll never do this again, please. That's not gonna work, bro. You can't pray on hopes and dreams. Trade with hopes and dreams. You must have a stop loss, man. Fuck's sake. Yo. It's set. It's set. My stop loss is set, bro. My stop loss is set. Because anything can happen. What if World War III happens right now and then there's no stop loss? And then what? Whoop! 6-figure account gone. No. We don't have time for that. We don't have time for that. Must have a stop loss. No stop loss, gang. Oh, brother. I can't. Unfortunately, guys, I can't agree with you on that. Oh my gosh, bro, how to grow $1,000 to $10,000? It is hard. Hey, man. Why am I making you angry? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I'm just reading what the people are saying. This is wild. You want to grow $1,000 to $10,000, bro? Damn. Yeah. Look, guys, if you want to gamble, nah, go to Sun Casino. But this industry is not to flip $1,000 to $10,000 overnight. You can grow it to 10K for sure. I don't know how long it will take you. You can grow it, but to flip $1,000 to $10,000 overnight. What the fuck? Wait. Dollar Aviator on Betway. Oh, who's playing tonight? Is there a soccer game happening? Bet on Jake. No, I'm not gonna say it because then YouTube will flag me. Never mind. YouTube will flag me. It's just a joke though. But Mike Tyson, Jake Paul. No, without gambling.
Dang is popping. Ding dang is popping.
Brother, if your mindset is to grow $1,000 to 10K with not knowing how to do so, please don't trade Forex. Please.
Okay, what did you do to Mark?
Invest in your education. You don't even need to come to my course. Just go invest and learn how to trade. Suck some what? Suck some plant in what? Ming Dang, what's up, boy? Ming Dang. Am I still in the trade? Yes, I'm in the trade, bro. I told you I don't get excited or panic or whatever. Whatever's gonna happen, I'm either gonna lose or I'm gonna win. It is what it is. Suck some plant. Oh my god. How to grow $1 to $9? You go stand by the docks. It'll realistically take more than 5 months to grow this. Is always gonna moer mekaar in the chat. I can see it already. Just gonna moer mekaar. Fuck it. Okay, let's see what's happening here. It's 15 close, holding resistance. We don't like that. But yeah, let's see. Just hold on to your panties, boys. One of two things. For those asking, yes, I'm in the trade. Yes, you went into profits. There was nothing to do there. That's not anything to get excited about. Why did it reject there? That's a question you can ask yourself. It rejected because you've looked inside, you clearly have a support level there. You see? So as long as you can learn all the time, look at that. That's why it rejected. It tapped into 23, 91, 26. That's why it rejected. Unfortunately, the zone we are in, there is a lot of areas of liquidity. But it is what it is. Do I panic? No. Do I do anything? No. You guys know it is. Same thing every day. Head and shoulders form in the 5-second chart. Oh, I think that's why it's at 1 second chart. 15 close, no bottom wick. No top wick. We should flip and start driving up. Like I said, unfortunately, my stop has to be 54. Because we can tap into that level and reject. It can happen. However, I'm not going to risk more. Because my idea off of the trade, it should have driven already. It should have driven. Because of this liquidity grab there. So, yeah, I just let it do what it needs to do. Let's start to panic. That's a great idea. Yes, it's realistic. $1,000 to $10,000 in 5 months. Okay. Gold, I thought you loved me. I thought you loved me. We do have a liquidity zone here at the level 2387. Hopefully we can hold that level and turn. However, like I said, that 15 doesn't have a top wick. So I would like to see that this is grabbing liquidity to flip that and drive up. Just like I said, where my stop is, it is tight. Pineapple at 85. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, did you... I think you and vegetable food lover like vegetables. Pineapple at 85? I love this YouTube chat.
So when you lose it, if the trade goes into loss, your whole account is gone. It's in the hell.
This is crazy, bro. I love the YouTube chat. You guys are wild. What time is it in your country? Like, what time is it? Because you, like, wake up and think of what Kaka can speak today? Like, I don't understand. What time is it in your country? Pineapple at 85. I know you, Ming Dang's guys. Ming Dang is a stream hopper. We have to identify that.
I was looking for the nacho already.
I want a banana with my oats today. Okay, so like an hour difference. Oh no no. Bro, are you sure trend will go up? Your stop loss so high?
He is lying to yourself,
I think he only puts on his own.
Yeah, I think so.
Your longer position, you don't understand.
I think so, yeah. I think so. Oh my gosh. It wasn't that bad without music today. So like it was okay. We survived.
I love how people come to a stream and they like start judging your trade, asking you, do you think you are right? Like they own the market. I love that's like the best part. I love
It's
it.
beautiful.
Like wake up, go to the chart, check my analysis. Oh, it's cuff. Let me go buy someone else.
Something like that, yeah. Let's
Why is
see.
stock so high? Are you high?
Highly educated. Bro, is gold buy or sell? Please answer. My nigga, I'm in drawdown in buys right now. Are you blind?
Hey, bro, stop about shooters, bro.
Are you blind, my nigga?
So please answer. Please answer. Say.
Oh my gosh. Yo, you guys make me laugh. Yo, this chat should be on Comedy Central. I think so too, bruh. Well, I love it though. YouTube, I love you. Thank you for entertaining me every day. Bye, donkey. Oh, do do do. But I go check out BMY Fabrication on IG to see the cars. Wild. Question: gold will push through the support due to the respected lower highs? I wouldn't say so because gold at the moment is actually consolidating. So I wouldn't say that would be the case, brother. It's more so consolidating than anything else, actually. Gold doesn't have a topic on that 15. We can still come get it. I hope so. We totally understand why it rejected that area, though. Anita Max win. Owens is popping, bro. People don't know how to take a drawdown.
Uno reverse card.
Do you have one of those?
Wait, yeah, my favorite.
A Uno reverse card? For real? For real? Normally, a Uno reverse card works. Okay, we are approaching that stop now, guys. Realistically, if it's going to be breaking 2386, it's going to tap my stop because that's where the supply is. Or the demand is. So like I said, I would have wanted my stop to be below, but I'll rather exit the position and look for an alternative setup if it does break these lows, and that is the case today that we do lose. Now regarding the trade itself, entered, rejected these highs, then pretty much did that 15 engulfing that I wanted, popped back up. I think it was like 2 pips shy from break-even point and never had enough to drive. The question is, why did it turn at that point? Because if you look to the left-hand side, you've got your liquidity zone there, and that's exactly why it turned at that point. So, yeah, as long as you guys can understand all of that, you should be good. Regarding the trade, and obviously we are still in the position, we are in drawdown. 15 does not have a top wick, so I would still like to see it come and form that top wick. That you do have candlestick support on the left-hand side, but honestly, if it breaks that, more than likely it's going to tap our stops. So let's see. I think we're about, what, like 5 pips from stop loss? Yeah, about 5 pips from stop loss. We might get stopped here, boys. That is breaking that low now there. That's what you don't want to see.
I swear, this thing sells, Brian. That guy must have hit and shelled it. Yeah, I see it. I'm scopping at 05. Scopping at Don Boston.
Look, if it does sell off and it closes below 2385, I'll take that initial type 3 idea.
Yeah, for sure. I like those cells initially before analysis.
For sure. For sure, yeah. Nah, same. But for me, if my confluence line up, my edge lines up, I take the position.
Oh, for sure. I mean, that's why they always say don't predict the reacts. I mean,
For sure, yeah.
Market gives you at the time.
No, 100%.
I mean, the journal's for itself, so
Yeah.
you can just go back and take a look.
I have just lost $100. Oh, shame, man. Probably, bruh. Probably. My stop loss 2384.53. Look, that stop loss is fine, bro. Like that's where I would have wanted it, but I'm not gonna risk 60 pips. You guys can obviously look and see. You do what you want to do. This is what I do. I just present you guys what I do. That stop? Not yet. Very close. Very close to stop, boys. Very, very close to my stop loss. Gee whiz, that was close. Let's see. Look, at the end of the day. Let's see. Almost at stop loss. Might tap it here. Not yet. Still in. I'm still in the position. I'm still in the bars, boy. I love that, Mark. I love that.
What did Mark do?
It's only $47 for mentorship. You lost 2 months worth. invest in the best. Yeah, 100%, 100%. Dab on that market, dab on it. He's in Punjabi, Sri Lanka, Durban, South Central. Okay, that's stop loss for me, boys. Okay, I'm out to the position, minus 45 pips. We understand why we took that L. Price could not sustain, well, could sustain the level, and it could not break further. I mean, we popped up for a bit, but as you will see on that 5-minute chart, that was pretty much your resistance to the left-hand side. Let me just clip that quickly for IG. Okay, boys, so I'm out to that position. Unfortunately, we got stop loss hit over there. We totally understand why we took the L, though, right? So now we go reassess. And honestly, if we get closures below, I'm going to type 3 this thing. But because the liquidity zone is there, this is why what I mentioned about stop loss. Just because we tapped into the liquidity zone does not mean it can't go up, right? I just had my stops there because that is what made sense to me at the point when I took the type 2 execution, because the 30-minute should not have came down and broke that body. It should have it should have not broken that body. However, it did so, and it is what it is. Revenge, buy now, Miles? No, boss. Only uneducated retards revenge trade. We don't do that here. So let me just add that in. That should drop the win rate to 95% for the month. And that is my 8th loss for the year. Let me just add these in. And then I'll journal it. So that is the first loss for May. So that takes us to a 95% win rate. And then, let me just add this here. Trades taken. Minus 45 pips. Which body? No, body. Body. You guys are full of jokes this morning, eh? Let me journal this. Charles, you can update for me now. Gold, right? Gold, London shorts. That was a long trade as well. Damn. That was a long trade. What time was that? Well, it just felt long. Oh, 9:40. Till it was like an hour and 10 minutes. That was based with the 30, right? Yeah. I love how it's just merging by itself. I don't know if they do that. Okay, so that's trade of today. Took some gold longs in London session, about an hour trade to lose 45 pips. If you understood everything that happened today, put a 1 in the chat so I know you're understanding. And then let's save that, baby. Surely that does make my win rate 95%, right? It's the first of the month. 10 losses, 1. Yeah. Because of that body? Yeah, because of the body. The body. Oh shit. Shot for that MDZ. Did I put a sell there? You're right. You're paying attention. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Paying attention. Good. Puppers and dippers have left. Right, boys. I'm gonna wait to see what we set up here. I think I'm gonna stream to like 11, so we're gonna chill. Gonna see if we can get a possible another possible position. If not, it'll just be that one loss today. GJ tapping the zone that we predicted. Quite nice. So at the moment on gold, I'm gonna see if we can get closure below this level. If not, we need closure above here now, because this is your new 30-minute zone over here. Yeah, so that's my 30-minute zone. That would be dope, dude. That would honestly be dope. Because I'll definitely take the type 3 shorts for sure.
That was the original plan.
For sure, 100%, yeah. Oh, sure. It hit stop loss after profit, so it was a win trade. A blue trade cannot be a loss trade. No, that was a loss. That was a loss. Today we lost. Guys, swallow it. Today you lost. It's okay to lose. It's normal. There's no 100% trader. Even though I win a lot, even though I have a very high win rate, there will be the odd loss that occurs. At the moment for the year, we got let's say 90% because 89, so let's say 90% win rate, right? Which means that if I take 10 trades, there's going to be one loss. Out of the 10, there's going to be one loss, which is okay. It's normal. It's okay. It's normal. Well, did not because I took my money. Okay, you took your money in the profit stage. Okay, good. If that's your plan, 100%. For me, 8 pips, it's not worth it. I'm not going to risk 45 pips to walk away with 8. So for me, it wasn't a point where I could lock it break even. Once you start to surpass the highs over here on that 15, once you started to surpass the highs over there at the 15, we should have continued to drive. That's why I didn't take partials. Also because my TP1 is 10. My break-even point was 10. So until either that happens, I don't do anything. So why didn't you guys move your stop loss into profit? Because that's not my strategy. You see, for me now, because I've been trading for so many years, because I understand what I want in the market, because I understand my strategy, I don't get excited when I see a blue screen. I don't care. There's a certain target that you have to match the certain risk management requires according to your strategy to make you profitable, not in a day. I don't care what happens in a day. But at the end of the month, that's important. At the end of the quarter, that's important. So that is what you want to focus on more so than what happens in the day. You with me? So you'll see me like you can tell my emotion now. It's nonchalant because you understand what trading is. You understand what's happening in the chart. You understand your risk plan. All of those things. Copy. How do I copy? How do you copy on this new thing? How do you copy on Windows 11? How do I do this? Yeah. Carl, here we go. Here's my journal. Control.
I did send one.
Nah, same journal, it's just updated. Same one.
It's super fly, bro. Asking about the head and shoulders. He's been here so long, he knows we don't dollar that. As you ask,
I don't know.
Okay, yeah.
Carl, just check there. There's yeah, Carl, just check in the Telegram group. I shared my journal with you there.
I don't know what you did to Mark, but that don't take time.
It's you. I blame you. You made him so mal.
Same time.
The Owens have a lot of dandruff in the chat. Head and shoulders throughout the morning. Oh my gosh. That's wild. So guys, I need the bathroom. I'll be back now.
Anyone here in this room get break even on that trade? Anybody? Oh, yeah, I also entered a bit earlier. I came up for the second time. So Jason, I'm a guru. Say that again. Say it again. 9239045, but I got flipped from that 35. Bruh. I was saying, same here. We were in profit in the 15 close bearish, and the next one wicked up. After it wicked up and broke the highs, I went break at the same time. If the 15 does flip, this is gonna happen, and it did fucking happen. It came all the way down. So we saved ourselves there with a better W values here. I'm so happy. Sometimes it can like affect the trading where you're closing too early and go take a break too early, but it's like, oh, yeah. Yeah, same. So I'm happy I saved myself that flow. Yeah, then it's one take a one.
Look, I did say we can turn from that level. I just wasn't prepared to risk more. That's why it's so important to understand what's happening all the time. And that's why once again, like I just don't feel anything to the trade. So from here, yeah, there's nothing I can do now. Just gotta wait. Either look for type 3s down here or for price to come back up. And I can buy there. But any questions, boys? Do you have any questions? I think I'm gonna jump onto that flagel, to be honest with you, and then I'll come back to the charts after that. If I see something, I see something. If not, I'm gonna call it at 11. Nah, I've got a lot to do today, so I have to leave as soon as we're done here. Ons weg, bro. What's I ain't have a 1 o'clock hair appointment, so bro, I gotta get my hair cut. It's no. Yeah.
Praise his barber so much that man can cut his head while he's sleeping.
Where you cutting? Nah, I'm not cutting there. But you don't get bookings there. Whenever I want to book that side, they always full.
Get that membership. Told you about.
And it's cheap, eh? It's like what, $350 a month? It's cheap, dude. For unlimited haircuts, it's very cheap. But whenever I check on their site, they booked. And which one who do you cut with?
Do you get membership barbers?
Membership barbers, my guy. You can
Yes,
you
I'm
can
coming back to PE.
you can pay your barber a membership fee and you can get unlimited cuts. It's crazy.
It cost me 260 rand to get my haircut with a shave, bro.
Same. I'm in that same price region. And that's for one haircut. And my hair grow
Premium membership is 300 Milo. I don't need
Haircut,
it.
my brother.
wild. But I've,
So much miles pays for one haircut.
Yeah,
300.
I at least need 2 a month.
2 a month. I need like 1 a week.
Yeah, I pay like 260.
I need a haircut every week, bro. I shit you not. I need a let me rather say I need a fade. I don't need a haircut. Otherwise we're going to be looking like Simeon.
Okay, for 300 bucks, and I got my barber.
Do you know your barber's a male, Darren? No. Okay, okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and put a price alert here. I'm going to jump onto Flaggle and then I'll come back to the charts to see if there's any setup. If I don't get a secondary setup by 11, I'll just call it a session. Okay? Now you'll see this in my rules. I do 2 trades max a day. Okay? However, if I've won the first trade, I'm done. I've made my money, I'm done. If I've lost the first trade and I do see a proper setup and the psychology is intact, the emotion is intact, the mental state is intact, and I do see a solid setup, I will take a second trade. And that's it. So those are the rules. And then also, I only do 2 pairs and I only do 1 session. My pairs, gold and GJ. Please take notes so tomorrow you don't come and ask me the same thing. GJ and gold, not chakalaka spice and USD, don't know what, and Euro USD. I don't do that. I only do 2 pairs. Then I only do 1 session, so you'll only see me here for London. And that allows me to live my life and do what I need to day to day as per normal. I dedicate 3.5 to 4 hours on the chart, max a day, and I'm done. 8:30 I'm on stream with you guys. By 11 I'm done. What is that? 2.5 hours, 3 hours, and I'm done. That's all I dedicate to the charts. You don't need to sit here the whole day. Okay, let's jump onto that Flaggle and wait for that 30 close. Will also be the hourly close. Let's see if we can get prices are closing below the level. If so, you will see me take some shorts. If not, we will call it. But let's jump onto Flaggle and then a Wordle. And then, can we do the Wordle first? Because I know the Flaggle's going to be a waste of my time because I don't understand it. Okay, word of today. Word of today, anybody want to go? Word of the day? Heads.
Yeah. Told it is too long.
Okay, A is in the right place, S is not.
Nice.
That's a good word.
Snail.
Brace. Okay, I know E's not there, but I just want to pop it there so it can eliminate some words for me. Wow, Miles wasted a word. Okay. Snail. There's no. Oh, snail. Oh, it needs a S. I didn't see that. Snail. Okay, okay. Okay. Snail. Snack. Okay, can't be snack. What else? How do you spell stale? How do you spell stale? Small. Could be small. Let's try it out. Small. You guys ready for small? We only have these last 3 tries.
Small.
I'm gonna do small. I'm gonna go small. MDZ with small. Let's see if he's right. Almost. Almost. Stall. Stall. You said at the same time Uncle Rob's did. So if this is the winner, then you and Uncle Robbie is the winner. You have to share today. You have to share today.
It's all his, brother. It's all his.
Okay.
And then they're banned tomorrow.
Uncle Rob's and Jordan with the dub for today. Well done. Well done. Well done. W's for them.
Anything up.
You promise. Okay, I trust you.
Share your search history there?
Me.
You might. What?
I'll share my search history. I don't mind sharing my search history. Type Portugal in your chat. Type Portugal in your search history. Let me see. Type Portugal. I dare you to type Portugal in your search history. Okay. First word. Oh, first flag. What? Someone who? Okay, who said India? Lol, bro gained 10 pips each in 7 days, like 70 pips, and lost 80 pips. Are you mentally retarded? You can't do maths. Do you see there's a 45 on the screen and not the 80? God bless you, my brother. Oh my gosh, you're dead. I'm so sorry for you having to hear that. Yo, you guys are funny. My word. Hey, Darren, you're wild. Who's that? Lance, what's up? Lance, what's up, my brother? How you doing? Welcome to the Wild West, bro. It's crazy in here. What did you say, Darren? Let me hear it again. Yo, I didn't expect that one. I hope I can hear that on stream so I can clip that shit. Oh, my word. Okay. Wild. I need to. I want Darren on the live podcast. he's gonna knock everybody. Baby. Okay, let's do it. Haiti. It's not Haiti. 1.7. It involves red, yellow, white. Red, yellow, and white. Chad. Red, yellow, and white for Chad. Red, yellow, and white. No, there's the flag. 32%? Okay, so it's more red, yellow, blue. So there's blue there, there's red there. Italy. Italia. Yo, Miles. No, wait, it's not Italy. Uruguay? Colombia?
That sunny thing, though, that's part of the flag.
Uncle Rob's like, I'm not sure, eh? I'm not sure. I'm confused about this game, guys. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Cause every time it like changes, I don't. Argentina, maybe. Fuck it, let's pull it. Nah, it can't be. The closest was Chad, so the flag needs to look something like that. What is that? Andorra. Let's try this thing. Andorra. So it's definitely something to do with red and blue in the corner. We have one try. We are so cock at this game. Venezuela. Malawi. I don't know.
I'm also confused about
I really want another try at this game because I want to master this thing. Fuck it, let's try Malawi. Nah, maybe I'm confused with this game.
what is the answer?
Just hold on. I'm just gonna switch my. Hold on. Let's get. We can just do it again. Hold on. I'm just gonna switch my email quickly.
You have to log into it.
I don't know how, but I think it might be picking up through my Gmail. So let me just go on the business page quickly.
Can't you just open an incognito window?
Oh what?
Incognito window on Chrome. And then try.
What is that?
Don't type Portugal. Click it.
Oh, bro, I'll fucking type Portugal in my stream, bro. Flagel. No. Why is this? How to please explain in English how to open that. Top right? Yeah. You guys make me bang now. What is this gonna do?
Open incognito. Yeah, new incognito window. Yeah. And now try a flag.
Do I just type it in?
That allows you to keep Batman on Google.
Ah. Is that how you search?
So type Portugal now.
Yeah, he's gonna type Portugal now. Try again. Try again. Kiribati. I'm so scared to do Kiribati because I feel like you guys went and googled it.
Lemon, wasn't it the last one?
Kiri. Oh shit! It could be this. I see. I've never. I don't. Okay, I see. I see exactly what it is. Because remember, the last one had the waves, it had the blue, it had the red, it had the Thunderbird. Okay, so now I'm among the game. I see it now. I see it. MFX members, do you understand the game now after seeing it? I definitely understand the game fully now. So it's colors and it's placement of the colors on the flag. So it kind of like shows you how the flag could look. Because remember, when we did, I don't know what other country there was, but the bird, the sun was there, the red, the blue was there. Then I don't know what country, but it gave me this waves as well. Remember that. So it's making sense now. I think tomorrow we'll get it. Okay. Now the game makes sense. After 3 tries. Game makes sense. Stan G2 Craig Ramos. Thank you for the win. I understand. Shot, brothers. Right. Gold. Let's see. If she can close below, I will take a second stab at it and see if we can take another one. Let's see. Yo, but who has been to this place? I feel like they created this country just for Flagel. Bro, I've never heard of that in my life.
Was that the answer?
Kiribati, bro.
What is the last 2 answers been? All places no one knows.
Bro, you know what had me? Nairu. And your net got that. But the thing is, your net did, she studied in Nairu. So that's why she knows. I think she was there for like 2 years.
Where do you find something to study there? I don't even know that.
They must, they did, they were discovering, bro, they were discovering fossils outside, that's why. In Nairu. Yeah, and Father Christmas and Mr. Sandman.
Oh, it makes sense now.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah, it's just complete sense.
2 minutes. All I want is closure below. If I can get that, I have a position. If not, it's gonna be a day for me. And then YouTube, this is obviously I'll see you guys on Monday again, but this is gonna be the last stream for the week. For the week so far on YouTube, we've taken 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 loss today. Where is my journal? Really?
I just see BMW like it's fucking loud, man. It sounds like it's straight, but
So yeah, these are the trades for the week that was called on stream. 10 pips, 10 pips, 30 pips, 45 pip loss. So you're pretty much up 5 pips for the week on YouTube. So you looks like a break-even week for us this week. Obviously I have tomorrow with the MFX members, so I'll take another position. But yeah, it's as simple as that, boys. If you want to level up your trading, if you want to trade with me, trade the way I do, learn the way I trade, be part of the group so you can be part of the Friday streams as well. You can just join the mentorship. It's as simple as that. And then for the month, we've done 272 pips minus 45. So if you've alone just traded with me for the month, oh crap, what did I do? Oh no. What did I do, Charles? Oh shit. No. No. I don't know what I did. Brought me NPCs. Okay, you guys fuck. I don't know what I did with this thing right now, dude.
when you just press like undo,
I think I fixed
like
it.
you do on trading view.
Gee whiz, did this thing just update by itself? What? It does that? That is wild. Okay, so far for the month we have 227 pips. Nobody should be crying. Hectic. So look, I just typed that in, it does by itself. Charles, you are an absolute beast. Wow. Guys, if you want a journal, Charles charges $23 and he makes you a journal. Lacquer. He's the dude in the chat with the spanner. Lacquer, man.
No, send one there. If you're MFX member, it's free.
You forgot yesterday's 30 pips profit? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Let me just fix this thing. I didn't. Okay, so off. Okay, I got you. What's that gonna be? 302, huh? Oh, shit. What do I do? I think I fucked it up. Control Z. Just random, I was press Control Z. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at me being fancy, guys. Again.
Yeah, until the numbers are done. Okay. Now double click that cell.
Then do I
You see
drag that
left
down?
inside your pips gain,
Uh-uh.
drag that down one block.
Then press enter. Shit.
Enter.
Damn, that's pretty cool. Okay, so for the month, I stand under correction. You have 257 pips. I stand under correction. What? Okay, that's pretty cool. I don't even know how you created that, but GG to you, my brother.
So send me one there, please, man.
Nah, Charles must.
Pay you off.
You must charge them. You must charge them. You must. Jordan must give us free private security. Personal bodyguard. Okay, boys, I think I'm gonna call it, yeah. Take it to the dry cleaners. Favor Shipalani, hi. How high? Yeah? How high? USD CAD, what's your analysis? I don't trade that pair, brother. I don't trade that pair.
Asked the same thing yesterday.
He did. He did ask the same thing yesterday.
Same one.
GBUSD, what's your analysis? Oh, wait, mods. Remove us, oh. Gaan haal hom. And you the NZD, what's your analysis? Oh, wait, nee, man. Bro, fucking put him in a sin bin for like 3 days. So you can have a weekend without me. You'll be okay. Wild. Wild. Here you have your 5-minute liquidity zone as well. Closures above that would mean that we're going to come back to the highs. That's for sure. 30, 27. Do I want that? Nah. For me, it's either these sells or no trade. The buyers is only going to come up there. I'm going to sit with you guys till 11:15 just to wait for the 15 closure. If I don't get a trade, that is me for today on YouTube. I'll be back tomorrow with the MFX members. MFX members, make sure your journal is updated. We're going to be going through that tomorrow. Cat, dogs, what is your analysis? I love dogs. What has GJ been up to? So it tapped into the zone we anticipated, now pretty much just sitting there. Yes, who's that? Time for jokey.
My God, who's that guy talking? That said I must take my clothes to the dry cleaner.
Really? Really?
Yeah. That is the most vertraagd God you'll ever meet.
Really? Oh, I don't need to go on my shit then.
I lose brain cells when I tell you that you'll talk to that while you're reversing away from the south, you're driving away, he's still talking to you. Yeah, that you know.
See, gold can, if we can close above here, where price is right now, it can definitely long. Just once again, just like this issue here, you have all that choppy on the left. Carl, did you check that journal in the MFX group? And then I did see another dude join the group while on stream. I will get in touch with you, but in the meantime, just join. There's 2 links on the welcome note. Click on that, it'll take you to both Telegram groups. And then just a reminder, boys, prices are going up at the end of the month, so get involved before that so you can get this price that it is at right now. Perfect. So you can just use that one. You can use mine or Charles. They're both made by Charles.
Does that new one have the update where you put numbers in here and they appear on that side?
Yeah, he does. Yeah, it does.
Oh, hey, I'm gonna update my journal. Thanks, Charles.
Thanks, Charles.
All the cells. So when you get
Yeah,
to
I'm
the
gonna
next
pay
month,
you that
just tell me, I'll help you.
Oh wait, I'm gonna
$5
pay you
for
that
update.
$5 for update.
Months, eh?
Huh?
I'm here by what's that place called? MFF. That's Motor Vehicle Finance.
Sure.
MFC Motor Vehicle Finance.
Yes, that's what's good.
Okay, guys, give me 2 minutes.
His mouse, yeah. Is he on mute?
I'm just, I have something in my mouth. I'm showering.
Fucking hell.
Can someone say bran muffin?
Bran muffin. No way.
You don't like a bran muffin?
Nah, bran muffins are the worst in the whole chain.
They're the best. Bran muffins is the best.
You at least put some, like, some butter on it or something.
Nothing, I chow just like that.
And what, with water?
With water, bro. Bran muffin and water.
Dedication. That's dedication to health there.
Now, dietitians, I can have 1 muffin a day.
And it has to be a bran one, eh?
Nah, I think I can have anyone, but I personally like bran muffins. That's my thing.
Maybe I've had swat one.
Are you on the road?
Nah, I'm here by the beach.
You by the beach?
Ah, I said fuck water.
Yo, you must live a lekker Spaniel. Anyways, go to Checkers, buy Checkers bran muffin. It'll change your life. For real.
What, they like in the deli or is it like in fact?
Nah, the daily one, the one they make. The Checkers bran muffin, the one they make. Go get it. Go get it today and then tell me.
Oh yeah, I'll let you know. Cause me, I'm a blueberry muffin.
Look, I like muffins in general, but I don't know, something about a bran muffin, bro. Choc chip, chocolate, liquor.
Bran rusks at home.
Bran rusks.
Yeah, got given like 4 packs of different rusks, my bro. Muesli rusk and
Okay, that's liquor. I won't lie. That is liquor. That is definitely a win for me. Any biscuit or rusk with tea, that's me. I'm there, bro.
oh, that's game over for me.
Game over, bro.
But what was coffee? Over, game over. I'll finish a whole box.
Same.
Quick. As long as that coffee's hot.
100%. I'll do the same. I'm a biscuit, bro. I'm a biscuit rasta, a muffin, like a. I like cakes and stuff.
Nice.
I think I'm like longing for rusks right now. Speaking about all of this. Okay, guys, doesn't seem like I'm gonna get the closure I want below. So for me, I think that's a setup. That's a trade. That's a session. So trade taking today on gold. I hope you guys understood exactly why I took it, because it's a trade that I'll take every single day of the week. That's the strategy. The strategy has a 90% win rate at the moment. I'll take the trade every day. However, it was a loss today. We understand why we lost, at what points it became a loss. I feel like they probably I wouldn't say there wasn't a point of management. There was, but I think it would have been too aggressive for me. So that's why I let it be. But yeah, YouTube, I am going to love and leave you, MFX members. I'm gonna love and leave you. I'll see you guys tomorrow, MFX members. See you tomorrow with your journals. Same time, same place. Opposite GMT +2. For YouTube, I won't see you tomorrow because obviously it's a private session for MFX members. If you want to be part of that, just sign up. Mods, just post the Patreon link there for me, and then the link will be in the chat, and also it will be in my description. If you want to level up your trading, that's where you got to be. So yeah, thank you for your time today. I hope you guys have learned today. Shot for the week, another successful week. Yeah, let's get it, man. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a lovely, yeah, you're saying?
No, man, is Darren still here?
I don't know.
But I wanted to ask you. Yeah, what must I report that, bruh? I reported that Mayfair is there for terrorism.
Jesus,
Q1, bro.
terrorism,
Q1.
Yeah.
hectic. Okay, but YouTube, I'm gonna love and leave you. I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you for joining for the week. If you haven't subbed to the channel, drop that subscriber button or drop the like, you know what I mean? I'll see you guys on Monday, 8:30 GMT +2. Let's do it again. I'll see you guys then. MFX members, I'm gonna love and leave you. I'll see you guys tomorrow for stream. Cheers, boys. I'm out.